Hello, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at some of the new features in what I consider to be one of the best Windows operating systems yet, Windows 10. We've definitely come a long way and learned a lot of painful lessons. There's a joke amongst the industry that Windows 10 is an apology for putting us through Windows 8. However, I feel like Windows 8 was a great learning opportunity and found a way for us to blend the best features of Windows 7 and Windows 8 and bring it to Windows 10. For all my fellow gamers out there, you'll be happy to know that Xbox One is fully integrated with Windows 10. You'll be able to buy games once and play them either on your PC or your Xbox One console. And the new DirectX 12 graphics technology promises to revolutionize PC gaming. It's already starting to pay major performance dividends in the next-gen games. But just like Cortana, the Xbox app has evolved to actually provide business functions. Using the Windows 10 new Game DVR function, it can actually be used to record training videos, examples, and of course capturing your glorious gaming moments. For more information on how Revolution Group can solve your business problems through technology, such as assisting with deploying the new and improved Windows 10 OS to your devices, please call us at 614-212-1111 or visit our website at www.revolutiongroup.com. And be sure to check out our other webinars and continue checking back in with our YouTube channel for more technology tips and tricks.